Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The SAR of penicillin. Number one, this sulfur is essential. Usually there is sulfur, but not essential because we having other beta-lactam antibiotic in which there is no sulfur. This sulfur is replaced by carbon. So this sulfur is replaceable by carbon. One point keep in mind: all those drugs which having this sulfur, they are they create allergy. There are 90% drugs which having this sulfur group, उसकी साइड इफ़ेक्ट में हाइपर सेंसिटिविटी अमूमन होती है, कम या ज़्यादा है, लेकिन दिस सल्फर इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर सच ड्रॉबैक. This part is resemble with the amino acid valine, and this part of penicillin having structural similarity with cysteine. Carbon 2, position number 2 is accumulating two methyl groups, and this carbon is substituted by methyl alkyl group which is limited to one carbon. You know that the methylation increasing lipid solubility, but if you increase this methyl chain and this methyl chain, there will be definitely increased lipid solubility, but the problem of steric hindrance will be created. The approach of this drug to the target protein, they will be hindered. So these two methyl group were limited to mean methyl, that is one carbon. If you replace this methyl by ethyl, propyl, ethyl, butyl, still they will be antibacterial, but the problem of steric hindrance is possible. कार्बन नंबर 3, इसके साथ एक हाइड्रोजन भी है. दिस इज accumulated, this is occupied by this free acid, carboxylic acid. Free carboxylic acid is essential, and this free carboxylic acid is must be at position number 3. We can't move this carboxylic acid from position 3 toward 4 or 5 or 1 or 2 or anywhere. In all penicillin derivatives, there is fixed position of this carboxylic acid at position number 3. Now this carboxylic acid is usually ionized. इसमें ये हाइड्रोजन रिमूव हो जाता है तो इधर नेगेटिव चार्ज. Now the ionized carboxylic acid is good to create salt of sodium or potassium. So you see the amoxicillin sodium, ampicillin sodium, etc. So this is essential for salt formation. Even we can create prodrug here. प्रोड्रग भी हम इधर इंड्यूस कर सकते हैं. दिस कार्बोक्सिलेट आयन bind with the charged nitrogen of lysine residue in binding site. Mean कि this is very important functional group. If we replace this carboxylic acid by alcohol or ester or any amide etc. functional group, the action, the biological activity will definitely destroy. Now this position number 4 and position number 7, this linkage is known as amide linkage. This linkage is known as amide linkage. If this nitrogen share its lone pair toward this bond, so this bond will shift toward oxygen and there will be resonance. The structure of this penicillin will be in such stereochemistry, which is usually the stereochemistry structure of penicillin is half open book. The stereochemical stable structure of this penicillin is half open book, and this half open book shape This is due to strained structure. The resistance to the ability of a compound to gain the stable form is strained. Due to this straining, the structure of a compound is changed. So once there is straining in this structure, the structure is converted into half open book. Once this structure adopt half open book structure, the delocalization of this lone pair toward this and this is inhibited, because once you delocalize this lone pair toward this side, look here, and ये इधर आ जाए तो इस नाइट्रोजन पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ जाएगा. जब इस नाइट्रोजन पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ जाए तो न्यूक्लियोफिलिक अटैक इधर मुमकिन है. हाँ, जब इधर न्यूक्लियोफिलिक अटैक आसानी से होगा तो स्टमक में HCl है, तो HCl का क्लोरीन जो है वो आसानी से इधर बाइंड हो सकता है, एंड दैट कैन क्रिएट प्रॉब्लम इन एब्जॉर्प्शन. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, the stereochemistry of this position 5 and 6 must be in cis form, not in trans form, and no substitution is allowed at position number 6 and 5. This branch, this is known as amide group. This is very essential for activity, and this is known as a acyl chain. Again, this is essential for activity. We can change this R group which is not alkyl, हम इसको change कर सकते हैं by XYZ functional group or group of atom. But once this R is electron withdrawing group, अगर ये electron withdrawing हो जाए तो this making the amide oxygen less nucleophilic. अगर ये less this must be more nucleophilic and this must be more electrophilic. ठीक है भाई. And this R group must be bulky. Once there is bulkiness, जब इधर bulkiness हो तो mean के there will be steric hindrance toward beta lactamase. Beta lactamase, which is responsible for the hydrolysis of this penicillin, so there will be no more beta lactamase interaction once this R group is bulky. The penicillin molecule having 3 chiral carbon, that is 356. ये 356 कार्बन जो है ये कायरल कार्बन है, और इसकी कॉन्फ़िगरेशन जो है इसको रिमेंबर रखें, पेनिसिलिन की 3 मॉलिक्यूल कायरल कार्बन की जो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है वो 3s5r and 6r है. द कार्बन नंबर 3 and 6, 3 must be in lew rotatory and 3 must be in dextro rotatory and 6 must be in lew rotatory. So they will be in transposition. इसकी configuration जो है कार्बन नंबर 3 की, this carbon number 3 must be in dextro rotatory and this carbon number 6 must be in lew rotatory. Thank you for listening.